It was a bright and cheerful morning until something strange happened. Their shadows were gone.
Okay, this is definitely not normal.
That night, the mystery grew even stranger.
Hey, shadows don't do that.
And just like that, the chase began.
Why is a shadow so fast?
The shadow wasn't just running, it was stealing.
It's not trying to scare us, it's playing.
The shadow revealed its true form.
Best game ever! Stealing shadows is so fun!
Play is fun only when everyone enjoys it.
I just wanted to play. I didn't know it hurt anyone.
With a little magic, everything returned to where it belonged.
You can play with us, just don't steal us.
Deal.
Play is fun only when everyone enjoys.
Yay! We did it, everyone! DevTv Kids!
Thanks for watching DevTv Kids.
Please like, share,
Subscribe
now!